Hey guys, welcome back to KRB Hair TV. Make sure you subscribe. So in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how I retwist gray starter locks. So of course I start off with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. My client is currently in her budding phase. She's only had her locks for a few months now. I think about 5 months if to be exact. And of course, I shampooed her hair using the KRB Loc Shampoo and Extreme Moisture Conditioner. After towel drying her hair, I'm going to pull it up into a ponytail. I'm going to start parting her hair and retwisting. So to retwist her hair, I use a taper or lock comb to retwist the new growth on the roots, and then I palm roll her ends. Afterwards, I safely secure her lock with a lock clip. I'll repeat this process all the way through her hair, and then I'll sit her under the dryer for 30 to 45 minutes. Her hair usually doesn't take a long time to dry. Usually, the longer the locks are, the longer they take to dry. So during the process of me retwisting my clients' hair, we usually have conversations, whether it's about movies, their lock journey. I answer any questions they have. We talk about their regimen once they get home, what there's to do to their hair at night. If you would like to know what lock product I use to retwist her hair, what oils and sprays I use on her hair, please drop down in the comments and let me know, and I can create a separate video for that. These are the end results. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.